We begin by drawing the outline using a liner brush. Think a summer hat, a bit of shoulder, and fruity vibes. Let's bring it to life with colors. Start with the background, paint a soft blue sky to set the mood. Next, color the big beach hat, the juicy fruits, her beachwear, and a bit of skin that's visible. Use bright summer shades. To paint two little clouds floating in the sky. This adds a dreamy summer vibe. Let's deepen the blue under the clouds to make the sky pop and add more dimension. Of shading to the hat to give it more depth and make it look realistic. Just a touch of darker orange or brown. Finish with a shiny top coat and you're done. If you like this fruity summer look, hit the like and leave a comment. Start by drawing a mermaid tail with white gel and a liner brush. Fill it in completely. Apply pink ice gel for the upper body. Use a liner and ombre brush to softly blend it into white. Use a magnet over the pink shell to create a pretty shimmering effect. Apply green eyeshadow on the tail tip. Keep the blend soft near the body for a smooth ombre. Add a layer of top coat to seal the eyeshadow and prepare for the next steps. Use gold metallic gel to outline the tail and draw shimmering scales. It really makes it pop. If you like this shimmer effect, don't forget to hit the like. Apply a milky top coat around the tail, but don't cure it yet. We're going to make some bubbles. Use a dotting pen dipped in blooming gel to tap dots onto the milky coat. Watch it spread like magical water bubbles. Seal the whole design with a glossy top coat and your mermaid tail is complete. Do you love the result? Leave a comment and let me know. Start by applying a layer of matte top coat over a blue base. I'm sketching the flip-flops and sunglasses first, just to make sure the layout is perfect. You can skip this if you're confident. Now let's start coloring. Fill in the sunglasses and the flip-flops to bring the beach vibe to life. Time to add the flip-flops straps and cute white dots using a dotting tool. These tiny touches make it so playful. Do you like what you see? Tap that like button. With white gel and a liner brush, outline the flip-flops to make them pop and look crisp. Now let's paint the sea on both sides. I'm using blue first, then soft touches of white for wave details. Let's add clouds. Apply milky top coat first, then go over it with white gel to give soft floppy shapes. Add beige gel to the tip of the nail for the sand, but don't cure it yet. We're adding texture next. Sprinkle on sugar powder to make the sand look real and sparkly. Then go ahead and cure it. Now we'll finish with top coat. Use glossy top on the details and keep the sky matte. It creates the perfect beachy contrast. What do you think of this beach look? Leave a comment below. I started by sketching the design on a white nail to keep things neat. Using a liner brush and black gel, I trace the sketch to make it pop. This helps keep the details clean later. Time to color. I filled in the skin tone, shirt, shorts, and the sunglasses. This guy is ready for the beach. I added a fun orange and green pattern to the shirt and pop on some black buttons with a dotting tool. So summery, right? I painted his swim shorts bright blue. This color screams beach holiday. I went over all the lines again with black gel to give it a sharp cartoon finish. It really brings the design to life. I added some orange shading on the yellow shirt collar to give it a sunlight look. Using darker blue, I created shadows on the shorts. It gives them more dimension. Now I'm shading the body under the neck around the belly near the shirt for a more realistic and fun cartoon look. I cleaned up the shadows and lines to make everything smoother and bolder. We're almost done. Finish it off with a shiny top coat to lock in all the details. If you had fun watching, tap that like and leave a comment. Which summer design should I do next? First, apply a matte top coat to prepare the nail for watercolor. Dab on a few watercolor shades to make a soft ombre background. Seal the watercolor with a layer of top coat. While the surface is still tacky, gently rub on some chrome powder for extra glow. Add another top coat to lock the chrome in place. Using a milky top coat and liner brush, sketch a blurry ice cream cone shape. Color in the chocolate part of the ice cream with brown gel. Fill the cone with soft cream to brighten it up. There are 3 scoops of ice cream using white gel. They'll fill them in. Add color to each scoop. I use orange, pink, and peach. Use a darker shade to add depth and shading to each scoop makes them pop. Add diagonal lines to the cone and outline it to make it stand out. Use white gel to add little cream puffs on the scoop. So cute! Seal the design with a smooth top coat. Add the cream again. This time don't cure yet. We're making it pop. Sprinkle shimmer powder over the wet cream and then cure. Now they're raised. Finally, add tiny teary colorful beads as topping and cure one last time. Done. If you're loving this sweet design, don't forget to like and share. On a white base, I'm sketching a curvy body with black liner gel, starting from the hips, then the tummy and chest. Keep it soft and flowy. Now let's fill in the bikini with solid black gel. Keep the lines crisp. I'm adding light gray around the curves to bring some depth. Just a touch makes a big difference. Now I'm covering the whole body with a nude gel close to a skin tone. So satisfying to watch, right? Let's deepen those curves with a slightly darker nude or brown. It really gives her a beautiful, realistic shape. I'm brushing on blue eyeshadow in the background. It gives total beach vibes. Time to seal everything with a shiny top coat so the pigment and the art stay in place. Now I'm carefully painting the bikini pink, keeping that in black edge for contrast. Before curing, sprinkle on some pink shimmer powder. It's giving velvet bikini vibes. Tap off the extra shimmer and we're done. A cute, curvy bikini beauty perfect for summer mates. If you love this design, don't forget to subscribe for more glam ideas.